if all goes well, we're going to have 2 new key fobs programmed. Never done this before, and don't know how well it'll work. I have an original black one. I had 2 of these GM 2003 models. One of them apparently either got lost or walked out the door, I don't know. And so recently I ordered 2 new ones offline, and you can get them as cheap as 10 bucks. I don't know how good they are, but I sprang for the blue and yellow, paid $20, twice as much. And you might say, why in the world would you spend twice as much money for a key fob if you can buy it? Well, the others were black only, and I got a black one. And I don't know if you've ever had this occasion, but have you ever been late to work because somebody accidentally grabbed your keys by mistake? And of course, because your keys weren't where you put them, you can't find them. And if they accidentally did it and kind of were late and didn't tell you, you have no clue to even look for the other set that's not there. So we're going to try to program these things. Now there's a sequence to it, and it doesn't work all the time for all, multiple ones. You might get 1, you might get 2. But what we're going to do is we're going to try to get all 3 of these working. The truck should remember that many. So what we're going to do is we're going to follow the procedure. We're going to put the key in as it is. We're going to come over here to the door lock, the electric lock, push the button down. We're going to then turn it off and turn it on, turn it off and turn it on ignition without starting the car. That should cause the door lock, when it goes into mode, into program mode, door lock should cycle off and on to an unlock, and you should hear a single beep. When we exit the mode, we should hear 2 beeps, and when we turn the truck back on, if it's properly exited the program mode, we won't hear any beeps at all. It'll just do like normal. So let's give it a try. Hopefully we can get this to work. Did you hear the beep? All right, let's see if we can get this to work. Gonna do the blue one first. Says it may take up to 15 seconds. Now, these buttons on these new ones aren't working quite as good as the old ones were. And now, what nobody ever says, it didn't go right the first time, or the second, or the third for that matter. Oh yes, we learned to enter programming mode by pressing and holding the driver's unlock rocker, turning off and on the ignition without starting 2 times quickly, and waiting for the single toot of the horn and the electric door locks to cycle. But we also learned the vehicle times out after 3 minutes of doing nothing. By the way, it toots the horn twice and cycles the door locks when it exits programming mode. And by doing nothing, I mean just sitting there holding lock and unlock simultaneously like a big twit waiting for the door locks to cycle. Oh, and the internet instructions said up to 15 seconds to learn a fob. The enclosed instructions said up to 30 seconds. And I personally observed up to 2 minutes. I found be as fast as you can. Just as soon as you hear the door lock start operating, move. Because giving it 10 to 15 seconds between sure didn't work any better than moving at normal speed. What do you say we give it the final check? Got the yellow one. Hear that? Yellow one works. How about the black one? Black one's working. But the last one, the blue one, the pretty blue one. Yeah, it's working, but there we go, feels a little stiff. Don't give up. You can do it! You know what they say. If at first you don't fricassee, fry a hen.